Guys, so what's going on? This is Victor from Vike Studio. Come back to my channel. In this tutorial I want to quickly show you how you can clear your cache memory so that your system can run faster. Maybe you discover that your software are not working fine, maybe you are on internet and then everything is slow in your system. In this tutorial I will be showing you how you can clear your cache memory and then your system can be running much faster. So if you are using Windows 8, this video is for you, and maybe you can try that on any Windows because I'm using Windows 8. So stay tuned as I show you this. So without any more further ado, let's hop into my system while I show you this. Let's go.
So alright guys, so I'm here on my system right now. So what you are going to do if you are using Windows 8, just take your cursor right to this right hand side of your screen, and then you can see your search bar here. So I click on this search bar, and then what you are going to type in here will be clean mgr.exe. So this is what we are going to search for, clean.mgr.exe. See, you can see that here, right here. So what you are going to do is you double click on this to open, and then you wait for a while so that it will open up, and now you can see this disk cleanup. So you give it some time to calculate how much space you'll be able to free on your drive. So this, you can see what it's saying here, this may take a few minutes to complete. So we will pause the video right now once it completes, and then I will show you the next step for you to do to clear your cache memory. Alright, so let me pause the video right now. So alright guys, it has finished loading. So once this open up, this clean up for your drive, once this open up, what you are going to do is you leave this side marked, and then you can scroll down a little, and then maybe if you store anything, if you have deleted anything in your recycle bin and then you want to clear them up, you can mark this. Or if you don't want to clear them up and then there are some files you want to keep, you unmark that. But you just have to scroll down, and then you can see thumbnail. This thumbnail must be marked. Okay, so this thumbnail must be marked. So if you want to clear everything right now, then you can go over here and then you can clear. You can see the amount of the cache memory around there is 43.9 MB. So you can clear this off, and maybe if there's any other thing you want to clear off from here, you can mark them, and then you make sure you like this video, and then don't forget to hit the subscription button, and then you share this particular video if this was helpful to you. So alright guys, I will see you in my next video.